Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Moyo Sore. I currently work at Genomics Institute. I would be the one holding the orientation for the short course
Good
today.
afternoon, everybody.
I hope you can all hear me. Thank you all for joining in. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Can you all drop where you are joining us from in the chat box so I can welcome you, your name, and where you are joining us from? While I wait for others to join the live session. Okay, good. You can hear me. So kindly drop where you are joining us from, your name and your location before we proceed to this orientation class so I can welcome you. Welcome to the short course organized by Genomics Institute. It's such a privilege to be here. Okay. Walid from Pakistan, you're welcome. Mr. Tumishe from Nigeria, you're welcome. Oline from Kenya, you're welcome. Karachi from Pakistan, you're welcome. Belinda from Kenya, you're welcome. Godwin from Zambia, you're welcome. Andy, you're welcome. All the way from Nigeria, all the way from Cameroon, Boris, you are all welcome. Fatima from Pakistan, Yumeha from Lagos, Joy from Kenya, you are all welcome. Matodis from South Africa, Bright from Germany, Sean from Kenya, Pascal from Uganda, Bukumi from Nigeria, Eastbourne from Kenya, from Pakistan, from all over the globe, guys. You are all welcome. Oh, we have someone from Sudan. You are welcome. Ruth from Kenya, Ellen from Nigeria, Jimmy from Rwanda, Khalid from Pakistan. You're welcome. Pakistan, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, Germany, Kenya, Italy. I welcome you all to this orientation, to this short course orientation. I know you all have expectations of things you want to learn from this short course. Okay, Genomic Holdings, Genomic Institute, what are they about? What do they do? Yes, that is what I would be explaining to you during this live session. I would be explaining to you what Genomic Institute is all about, the course, what the course is also about basically. Yes, I know we all saw the flyers, we joined, we referred people, and we have one or two goals in mind why we want to join this live session or why we want to partake in this program. There is a reason. So at the end of the program, I hope your dreams are met and your expectations. I'm trying to wait for others to join the call. A lot of people are yet to join this call, so I'm trying to wait for them so they don't miss out on important information. And thank you all for staying thus far. Thank you for waiting. Um, I can see you all from Malawi, Precious from Malawi, Miriam from Pakistan, Esther from Kenya, Ijaz from Pakistan, from Sudan. You are all welcome on board. I welcome you all. Paul from Nigeria, Tuning from Kenya, Ajmal from Pakistan, Uchenna from Nigeria. You are all welcome. In about the next 3 minutes, I would be using the opportunity to wait for others, and I will start in the next 3 minutes. So, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good day from anywhere you are joining us from. Welcome to Genomic Institute Incorporated. and welcome to this free bioinformatics short course organized by Genomics Institute. I know we all have expectations of what we look forward to learning. Like I've said earlier, I would be giving you a breakdown of the things you will learn. This is like an orientation for you before you get access to the course and to more like a guideline to help you as you proceed through the course. Genomic Institute is a subsidiary under Genomic Holdings, and Genomic Institute is dedicated to advancing research and education in genomics and bioinformatics. We have successfully trained over 72,000 students from over 120 countries. I mean, this is a whole lot, and it's evident from my introduction when I was welcoming people from Kenya, from Malawi, from Cameroon, from South Africa. You are welcome, and Genomic is doing expert. Genomic comprises of experienced experts that aspire to make a global impact through research in bioinformatics by bringing about innovative ideas and developing a sustainable impact solution in order to meet your expectations. We are all here because we want to learn one or two things. And Genomic Institute provides education and research opportunities in genomics, bioinformatics, and life sciences. And Genomic Institute focuses on building practical skills in bioinformatics and genomic data analysis. That is, we carry out and we train scientists and researchers on hands-on skills in bioinformatics. Name it. Any hands-on skill in bioinformatics is what we do, or genomic data analysis, biocoding, and all of this stuff. We are very much interested in empowering individuals with skills and knowledge needed for them to succeed in this rapidly evolving field of genomics and bioinformatics. We have programs like fellowship, scholarship, internships, boot camps, and this short course is part of our program that you are currently on. So to the course, what are you going to learn? The course will span for a period of 5 days or more, and it has 5 modules. First module is Introduction to Bioinformatics, and you would be taught the fundamental concepts of bioinformatics all from scratch. You would also get overview of current trends and challenges in genomic analysis. And in your second module is DNA sequencing and its analysis. And in this module, you would be taught you'll be taught the principles of DNA sequencing technology, that is the Sanger sequencing, the next generation sequencing. You would also be taught importing and managing sequence data and calling complementary strands. You would also be taught on how to identify codons and translation proteins. That is, you would protein coding regions identification, open reading frame analysis, and primer design. You will be taught that. In the third module, which is the hands-on comparative genomic analysis, you'll be taught the comparative analysis of genomes from different species. You would be able to identify conserved regions and evolutionary changes. You would also be taught the exploration of gene families and functional annotation across species. And bear in mind that all of these are hands-on experience. It's an hands-on training where you get to do it on your system, or yeah, most likely on your system. You would also, in your fourth module, you'll be taught the whole genome alignment. And here you will learn techniques for aligning entire genomes. You would also be able to gain hands-on experience in practical applications in identifying genomic rearrangements associated with diseases. In the fifth module, which is titled the Whole Genome Phylogenetics, you will be taught the principles of phylogenetic analysis and tree construction. That is, you would be taught on how to build a phylogenetic trees with the sequences that you have. how to interpret it. You would also be taught molecular evolution and phylogenetic inference methods. You would also be taught the phylogenetic application in understanding evolutionary relationships and species divergence, which is very much important in evolutionary biology. You would be able to know the evolutionary relationship between species with the phylogenetic trees. You properly be able to study how a particular disease has managed to evolve, or a species in an environment, how they've managed to evolve over time. And you are getting all of these modules, all of these learning outcomes, you're getting them for free, all thanks to the CEO of Genomics Institute, who is very passionate about impacting in young and aspiring scientists in the field of bioinformatics and genomics. And that is why he's organizing this short course for you to be able to get the basic introduction to bioinformatics, for you to know more about DNA sequencing analysis, the comparative genomic analysis, whole genome alignments, and majorly how to build phylogenetic tree. I mean, it's very important in our day-to-day research. So the shortcut is titled Bioinformatics Course 201, and it is designed to dig deeper into the realms of genomic analysis. I'm sure from what I've explained previously on what the modules will cover, you will know it's really, the course is loaded, is filled with a whole lot of insightful methodologies. I mean, comparative genomics is it's a course on its own, and it's a whole lot. It's a methodology on its own. Phylogenetic analysis is a whole methodology on its own. So yes, this course is there for you to delve deeper into the rooms of genomic analysis, providing students with advanced knowledge and practical skills in bioinformatics. And the focus area include Introduction to Bioinformatics, taking you through the fundamentals of bioinformatics, DNA sequence and its analysis, comparative genomics, whole genome alignment, and phylogenetics. And you're getting hands-on experience with bioinformatics tools. You get a bioinformatics tools hands-on experience. You would also be able to analyze genetic data across organisms. How do you get access to the course? It's a very important question. I mean, this is an orientation course that's there to put you through how to get access to the course, what the course is all about, which I just finished talking about. The link to the course will be sent to your respective groups. I know we are joined through the link we saw from a group or something. So the link to the course will be sent to the group. And the one important and sweet benefit of this course is you have a lifetime access to the course on Genomic website. You have a lifetime access to it. And your certificate, you would be able to get a certificate after you complete the course. Once you are done with the course, you get a certificate and your skills, your knowledge are yours. How do you access the course? A link will be sent to you on your WhatsApp, on the groups that you are on, but I would also show you how to navigate the course website. I will show you how to navigate the course website in a minute. So once you get the link to the course, the title of the course is Bioinformatics Course 201. In this course, you will gain hands-on experience in making use of bioinformatics tools and techniques to analyze genetic data across various organisms. So, in this course, you would also hear our CEO speak. He will give you the short course, a very important introduction about the short course. You would watch this. It's in the introduction, talking about the course. You would also have access to the first module just by clicking on the first module. It gets what it's all about. You would also be able to download the course materials available. The course materials, you click on the download button and you are good to go. You would also be able to ask questions if you have any questions, and you trust our diligent minds to answer your questions. If questions are seen, they would be answered, and any other person could also answer your question on them. So you can go to the second module. The second module is for how to, you click on the video, you watch the video. To the third module where you get the course. This module covers the importing and managing sequence data call complementary strand. This is just about the course, the hands-on on DNA sequence analysis. You would also be able to download the course material here and watch the video. Then you have an assignment. Okay, there's no assignment for this particular course. Now the fourth module, the description of the course, the title is Hands-on Comparative Genomics. You will also be able to download the course material. Then the fifth module, which is the last module, which is on the phylogenomics analysis. This is talking about what the module is all about. It's all about. Then you will be able to get access to the course program. Okay. You have lifetime access to the course on Genomics website. After the 7 days when you've gotten your certificate, you can definitely still go on, what's it called, on our website, search for it, the course is yours. And our certificate as after you're done completing the course, the module, you get a certificate. And our company, Genomics Institute, is now registered in the United States, making our certificate yield more worth around the globe. It's registered in Nigeria. It's also registered in the United States, is recognized. So if you get a certificate, is an additional benefit to your CV. So prizes and awards. A minute. So after you're done with the fifth module, you would be required to complete an assignment. And this assignment is not just an assignment. You stand a chance to win big just for taking this short course. You stand a big chance of winning something. Yeah. So we have the questions, you answer it, then you submit your assignment in this box by clicking here once you are done with the assignments. To the awards. The first place will be getting free access to 2 of Genomics Institute's premium courses. You'll be getting access to the fundamentals of bioinformatics, which is worth over $200. You would also get access to our functional genomics course, what's $300. You would also have a 30-minute one-on-one live mentorship session with the founder and CEO of Genomics Holdings, Mr. Oluwaseyi. I mean, you could tell him anything, it could help you answer your questions. It's yours. The 30 minutes is yours if you are able to get this first place. And for the second place, you get access to two of our premium courses. 2 of our premium courses, the fundamentals of bioinformatics, worth over $200. You would also have access to functional and genomics, worth $300. And for the third place, you get free access to 2 premium courses. You get access to our fundamentals of bioinformatics. I mean, that's a whole lot. That's a motivation for doing your assignments. If you successfully, we have the first place, second place, and the third place. And it's an exciting awards. It's an opportunity for you to level up your skills, add it in your CV, or you getting access to all of this. It's for free, all thanks to our CEO, who is very passionate and interested in impacting knowledge in others. So I do not know if you have any question or any aspect that you need clarity on from all I've said, you can definitely ask your question in the chat box. I will be there to reply. I will be there to reply. So kindly ask your questions. If you have any questions, at all, I would reply. Yes, the course is on Genomics website, but the link to the course would be sent to your respective group chats. Like I said, the course is titled Bioinformatics Course 201. It's Bioinformatics Course 201. You can have access to it. You have lifetime access to the course on our YouTube channel. On our website, sorry, you have lifetime access to it. But to get a certificate, it's best you complete the course in 7 days. So do you have any questions or any clarity? Kindly type it in the chat box, in the chat room, so I can reply. Somebody is asking, how can I be sure that I registered? After registration, you've been asked to input your name, you've done all of those things. You would be referred to join a group chat, a group. So once you join the group, you rest assured that you are registered and you're registered in Genomics Institute, Genomics Holdings. But to get a certificate, you you would get that on our website. So any more questions? Any more questions? Anything you need clarity on? That is why this orientation session is there. Can ask you questions. Yes, after 7 days, you get a certificate, please. You complete your module 1. The courses are very flexible. It depends on your speed and how far you are able to understand the courses. If you can finish the module in 1 day, all good and fine. The second module in 1 day, all good. It depends on your rate of assimilation, your rate of picking things, and it just depends on you. When are you starting? The link to the course will be sent to you today, later today, and you can start today, you can start tomorrow. It's all left to you. We have to finish the course to get a certificate. Yes, everyone is granted a certificate so far you are able to finish the course. Yes, everyone in the group is registered. If you're interested in knowing when are we going to organize more of this wonderful cohorts, one of these sessions, more of this what do I call it? These free programs. You can follow us on our LinkedIn page. You can follow us on our social media page on the LinkedIn Genomics Institute. There you get to know about our upcoming courses, you get updates about them when we're starting. Any free course that we're holding, you get see it at a first-hand level on our Genomics website or our social media page on LinkedIn, on YouTube, or on our WhatsApp groups. So kindly ask your questions and kindly ask your questions. Are coming towards the end of this orientation course. Please ask your questions, ask your questions. To get access to the course, it will be sent to your respective groups. If you're on any of Genomics websites Genomics group chats, it will be sent to you there. You would have access to the course. Yes, you can complete the course at any time. You have lifetime access to the course on Genomics website. You have a free lifetime access to it on Genomics website. So we are coming towards the end of the session. Do you have any question? Somebody's saying an unfinished project. Can you reach out to your mentor if you have one? the mentor of a group or whatever project you're talking about, reach out to your mentor in charge. Somebody's asking, please, how can I download the course? You can't download the course, but you have a lifetime access to the course on our website. Hello, please, do we have any more questions? I'm here to provide answers to them before we call this session an end. You need to finish your modules before you get a certificate. It's a requirement to get your certificate. You need to finish the course modules from the first module to the fifth module, do your assignments, then you get your certificate. There is no session happening on YouTube tomorrow. You would be given access to the course, and from there you navigate it on your own. There's been a prepared videos, course material to guide you through each phase and and you would be able to replicate this on your own. Hi Zara, I'm glad you find this so fascinating. If you want to log in about the password and question, you can kindly just continue with your Google, log in with your Google, and you're good to go. So I guess there's no more question. Thank you all for joining us thus far. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to see you in our next program, in our next cohort. Have a lovely day ahead. Have a nice day ahead. I wish you all the best in the course. I wish you a smooth ride. Bye.